Alright, welcome back to lesson 5 of TikTok Ad Manager setup. My name is ToShow. If you are new in my channel, kindly please subscribe to my channel. And then if you are a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to connect your TikTok account to TikTok Ad Manager. You hear me right? I know you might be wondering that we use our TikTok account to log in into TikTok Ad Manager. Is it two different things? So we use the TikTok our TikTok account to log in into TikTok Ad Manager. Doesn't mean that we've connected it together. So as you can see now, this is my TikTok profile that I'm using. Okay, so now let's go to TikTok Ad Manager. So you click on Get Started. You already have the website here, so getstarted.tiktok.com. So I'll click send. I will enter it. Alright, so can you see this login details here? You click on this login. Click on login. So at this junction, I log out so that I can guide you on how to do this. So I'm going to start from the beginning. So as I said earlier, I'm not going to put email or password. I'm going to click on login with TikTok. So this is what is going to show, right? So I'll click on continue. Can you see business center 1? So I need to click here, but what is showing me now that I need to turn on to set up verification before I can access this account. So what I will need to do, I need to click here to connect it. Okay, I need to set up my verification so that the account will be secure. So I need to click on setup, then I'll click on setup. So you want me to add password. Remember, this one is different from your main account. So set password, use a strong password, keep your login safe. So you can as well use the same password for your that you use for your TikTok account, right? So I need to request a verification code to proceed. So I'll click on send. So now at this junction, I need to put my password. Right, so the password must be 6 to 20 characters and at least one number and special character. So okay, password is currently matched now. So I'll click on submit. So the password has been changed. So now let me click on new tab and click on get started. So I'll click on this sign in. Alright, so now I want to turn on the what's it called, the verification. So I'll turn on the mail. Let me click on this. Other scan. Click on save. So now I've turned on the verification code. Let me go for it. So now the verification now is successful. Okay, so let me now go back from the beginning. So can you see how I've secured my account now? So I've turned on the verification code. So let me now get started. So you click on this sign in, alright. Alright, so now this is what I wanted to do. So I want to connect my TikTok account to my TikTok Ad Manager. So I'll click on this. Can you see this is the business center that we created in lesson 4? Alright, I'll click here. So please follow carefully. You will see the dashboard here. So can you see our dashboard here? Right, can you see our dashboard? So please follow carefully. You close this. You see these three lines that is there, 3 lines that is there. These 3 lines. You are going to click on that 3 lines. So if I should take my cursor to it now, something will pop up. So you click on these 3 lines, then you will go. You will see this my name, ToShow. There's a 3 dots beside my name, after my name, you click on these three dots. Then you will see user setting. Click on user setting. So under this user setting, can you see Abraham ToShow on link TikTok account? Can you see on link? That means my TikTok has already been linked to this account. So if your own is not linked, you need to do what? You need to connect your own TikTok account to it. Okay. So this is where we're going to hold this class. So we'll move to the next class. Thank you for watching.